to the Apocalypse Cooking Channel. Tonight, we're making fried rice. Drinking Lump and Rodeo from Hops and Grain. It's gonna be a good one. Just like everything, we're kind of going with what's laying around. You gotta use all the perishables before they go bad. So, of course, we got rice, because it's fried rice. Carrots, onion, few cloves of garlics, peas, bacon, eggs, butter. If you don't have all this, you got other stuff, that's fine. Just improvise. Use what you got. You don't have carrots, you use bell pepper. This isn't authentic. Don't tell me it's authentic and don't yell at me that it's not. I don't give a shit. Look, everyone's got their favorite way to cook rice. This is more about what happens afterwards. I don't give a shit. Cook in a pot. You got a rice cooker, even better. Do that. I got an Instant Pot, kind of also a rice cooker. I like cooking my rice 1-to-1. You want it not like mushy. You want them good grains. So 1-to-1, important part. You gotta season your rice. Do a little rice wine vinegar. Full circle. Not bad. And then a little soy sauce in there. That works too. Yeah. And just turn it on and we'll figure that out. Rice gets cooking first. If you have some leftover rice, works well too. You want that cooked first because you gotta cool it back down or else you just get weird, soggy vegetable rice. All right, we're gonna cut all this up and let's do that. Let's just do that. Don't forget to wash your vegetables. We don't need listeria on top of coronavirus. And all my industry friends out there judging my knife skills, don't judge me. I'm just drinking beer and cooking, okay? But there's nothing wrong with a fork to whisk your eggs, but if you have an immersion blender, use it. Rice is cooking. While I was cooking, got all the vegetables cut. In the meantime, get that bacon started. Just low. Low and slow. You want to get that fat, that crisp, that ooh, that oh, that ooh. Where do you have to be? It's the apocalypse. Stay hydrated. Hey, I'm trying to record a video here. Can you stop yelling, please? Once your rice is done cooking, you want to put it on a sheet tray with some parchment paper. Unless you want your food to taste like metal, don't use parchment paper. If you like that flavor, that's cool. Don't use parchment unless you know. But if you don't, like most people, that's fine. Use parchment. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna pop this into the freezer for like 10 minutes. Do this the night before if you want. You can do it morning up. I don't give a shit. The reason you want to cool the rice down is so the starches have a second to just, chill, hang out, relax. Unless you like mushy fried rice, I recommend doing this. I also recommend drinking some beer while cooking. Bacon all rendered, crispy, delicious. Get that out, get into a pot. Try to save on that bacon fat though, you want that. Throw some carrots in there. And you're probably like, wait, why are you putting carrots in before the onions and garlic? Well, because I'm gonna dump it all back in the same bowl, and I wanna cook these first because they're a root vegetable. If you bought raw peas, then you need to steam them for a couple of minutes. But most of you probably thought that peas just came from a freezer bag and that's where they grew. So add your peas, put a lid on them. If they're frozen, you don't need to do this part. Just add them to the pan. The veggies are done cooking, dump that shit out. See that fat? You want that fat. Add your onions and your garlic. Stir it real good. Don't forget your beer. Once your onions and garlic get a little color on them, add some butter. Get it all melty. And scramble your eggs. This is not a definitive guide to scramble eggs. We want to overcook these like your mother didn't love you. We'll do scrambled eggs another day. Once you cook the shit out of your eggs, put them in the bowl of goodness. Mo butter, mo better. That's what Paula Deen always said. She also said something else that I should definitely not say because I have a lot of people who would definitely beat the shit out of me if I did. And also, I'm not a piece of shit like that. Add your cooled rice. Let it hang out. You want to add your rice and kind of break up some of those clumps, but you don't want to stir it too much. You want it to hang out on one side. That's how you get those crispy bits, that deliciousness. Adjust your heat appropriately. And a great thing to do while you're not fucking touching your rice and just letting it hang out so we get some crispy stuff on the bottom and it doesn't get mushy and then you complain, this doesn't work to me. Just drink a beer. chill. Add your bowl of goodness. And just like that, you have super non-authentic fried rice. It's gonna be fucking delicious. And if you don't have everything that's in here or different things, just do whatever you want. You got hot dogs with no bacon? Use hot dogs. Who gives a shit? Authentic fried rice. Chinese food isn't even authentic. You ever had real Chinese food? You ever eaten chicken's feet? It's not the shit you get over down the road at that one buffet. But make what you want, make it good, enjoy. I'm not sticking my nose in this one.